There, champ barbecuers. Today we're going to do up some Porterhouse steaks on the Weber 22, the copper. Oh, hell yes, it's back. And we're going to sear them up about 4 or 5 minutes aside using Uncle Steve's cow powder. Oh, hell yes. So I got a cast iron griddle on the Weber Kettle 22 above the Weber baskets. Just simple Kingsford charcoal in there. Get that thing hot.
Give me a hell yeah!
When we seared these Porterhouse steaks, check these out. Oh my. So we're gonna let them rest for about 10 to 15 minutes, although you'll want to devour them right away. Man, they look good. Check them bad boys out. Oh, hell yeah. So let's slice into one of these porterhouses and see what that Uncle Steve's cow powder shake is all about. Oh, hell yeah. We let it rest for about 15 minutes now. Boom. Woo. Oh. Nice.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Oh. That there, folks, that rocks for sure. Oh, hell yeah. Wow. Oh, yeah. I was gonna baste them with butter and all that, but I didn't. Damn, that's awesome. That is so good. Come on now. Man, they were expensive, but god dang, you're gonna get what you pay for. Cheers, folks. That rocks. And the cow powder, I'm telling you what, this is one of the best rubs, shakes you're gonna get. It's an all around everything. Oh, hell yeah.
I said give me a hell yeah!